In this video, you'll learn how to manage client projects and licenses in your Amasty account. The client goes to Account, License Registration, and creates a new production project. The client goes to License Registration, My Production Projects, clicks Share, enters the agency's registered email in the pop-up, and shares the project. Next, the agency assigns the purchased modules or subscriptions to the client's project. This can be done using whichever method is most convenient, through Manage in Projects, directly from the Products section, or from the Subscriptions section. The result is the same in all cases. Once the project work is completed, the agency transfers product ownership to the client. To do this, go to License Registration, Project Shared with Me, View, find the module, and click Transfer Product. The subscription will move to the client's account once the client accepts the transfer and completes the checkout, and all future payments will then be the client's responsibility. That's it. The project setup is complete.